Hi guys, today I would like to show you how to add loyalty card to Google Wallet on Xiaomi Mix Flip. Firstly, I will go into the wallet. Obviously, if you don't have it, but you should have it on this device by default. But if you installed it, just install the wallet from the Google Play Store. Now tap on Add Wallet, View Wallet. Now tap on this plus icon in the bottom right corner, tap on loyalty, choose from which company you would like to add loyalty card. Now either scan the barcode or enter your member's ID manually by tapping on enter manually in bottom right corner, then entering your member ID here. And now tapping on add to wallet. And that's just going to be all. If I helped you, please leave a like and subscribe. And if you have no questions, let us know in the comments.